If you watch any of my videos, guys, you probably know I've been doing the Litchi app series, tutorials. And while doing that, I've been watching other people's videos as well. It's always good to get ideas from other people, and sometimes even passing on their names, because a lot of them are a lot better than producing it than what I am. But one of the things I've noticed lately is called the Maven app. Now, it's not, I don't think it's been out that long, and watching some of the other YouTubers, they seem to be really praising it really high. They saying it's better than the Litchi, it's better than the DJI Go app. It's got a few things on there, a lot more few things I should say, than the Litchi app anyway. So that, I thought, wow, okay. So I've only gone out and bought one. Well, bought the app anyway for my iOS with my Apple phone. It cost me $21.99, so it's probably about the same price as the Litchi app. I've only bought it yesterday, so not really sure how it's going to work. So I thought what I'll do first, I'll just do an intro to this app. I've never really used it. I haven't used it, to be honest. So other than I downloaded it, opened it up, I haven't tried it on this app yet. I haven't tried it on my DJI Mini 2 yet. Now it will work with the DJI drone series, and I'm starting right back to the Phantom 3 series, the Phantom 4, the Mavics, right up to the Mini 2s. Now the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, it's not working on that yet, because they usually wait about a year and then you better use it. But at the moment it's only going up to the 2 series, of the Mini 2 series I should say, but it goes through the rest of them. What I did notice, guys, that on the iOS you get a few more things than you would if you got the Android. So the Android, it's called the Maven Lite. I think there's what I'll do, I'll just list them there, the things that you don't get, whereas you would with the iOS. So anyway, I've just thought what I'll do tonight, I'll just come out, I'll just see how simple it is. It looks different, and what I will do a series on the Maven app, because I bought it, so I might as well start to learn how to use it properly. But tonight it's just a more better experiment. But what I would love to hear is you guys, any of you guys that got the Maven app, or even thinking about buying one, and just see how good it is. Okay, I'm going to get a drone up. But what I'll do now, I'm going to put in the Maven app, because the other day I did this, I forgot to, for some reason it didn't record on the actual drone. So I want to make sure I've got no problems with that. Okay, just tap, we've got the Mini 2 on there. It's ready to go. Let's do the takeoff. There it is. Okay, I've got 40%, so I'm not going to hang about too much.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Right, I'm just going to get myself around. Let's have a look. There, right. I've got myself in it. Okay, so what you got to do, guys, is you got the top there. You go into Copilot. Okay, I'm in the Copilot. Over the left-hand side, you've got the little man. That's me. And I've got to do that one. Okay, so it's locked on me already. So I'm going to put on... hang on, what have we got? Right, so we've got the camera on. Okay, so it's recording now. Now, hopefully, this is what I did yesterday. I was recording, but what I didn't do, I didn't shut it down properly. So I'm thinking that's the reason why. So anyway, I'm gonna walk up this way. Right, I don't know if my microphone's picking up. I noticed the other day I was a bit of a distance away from the camera. Anyway, looking at it on the blue circle, it is following me, which is the main thing. That's what it's all about. I'm just keeping an eye on that drone. I've got 36%, so that's looking good. So I will check the footage later on, make sure that it's recorded it properly, but I can definitely say I'm recording that now. What I might do, I might just do the circle and just see if it circles around. So it's supposed to be staying on me. I'm just going, I'll just bring it up a bit. Okay, bring it down. There I am. So all I'm doing now, I'm just using my right stick. Okay, got. Now if I notice the battery's gone to yellow, which has also given me a good point there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop that.
Stop.
I'm going to stop the video footage. Okay, and we're kind of come out of that. Come out of that. Right, that's been disabled. I'm going to bring the drone back in. Like I said at the beginning, we want a tutorial. It was just, I bought the app yesterday. I wanted to see how well it performed. It'd be great to hear if any of you guys have got that Maven app, and what's your comments on it and what's your thoughts as well. At the moment, I'm pretty happy. I do like the layout on the screen there. Obviously, I've got a lot to learn, but I will be bringing out tutorials on this app, probably about a month's time, because I've got a lot of learning to do. Anyway, that's what it's all about, and a bit of fun with drones. So, I'll catch you next time. I'm going to walk the dog now.